The natural world astounds us with its complexity and beauty. From the intricate dance of molecules within our cells to the vast expanse of the cosmos, we are surrounded by wonders that defy easy explanation. As we delve deeper into the mechanisms of life, we encounter a profound question. Could such intricate systems arise through random chance, or do they point towards the hand of an intelligent designer? This essay explores the concept of irreducible complexity as a compelling argument for intelligent design. We will journey through the fascinating world of biology, examining structures like the human foot, the bacterial flagellum, and the eye, all of which challenge the explanatory power of evolution alone. The argument from design is not new. Throughout history, thinkers have marveled at the order and intricacy of the universe, seeing in it the fingerprints of a creator. From the ancient philosophers to modern scientists, the idea of a designed world has persisted, sparking debate and inspiring awe. In this essay, we will explore the concept of irreducible complexity, a powerful argument for design that has gained significant traction in recent years. By examining the intricate workings of biological systems, we will see how this concept challenges traditional evolutionary explanations and points towards the necessity of an intelligent agent in the origin of life. At the heart of the design argument lies the concept of irreducible complexity. Imagine a mousetrap, a simple yet effective device. It consists of several parts: a platform, a spring, a hammer, a hold-down bar, and a catch. Each part is essential. Remove one, and the trap ceases to function. This, in essence, is irreducible complexity, a system composed of several well-matched interacting parts, where the removal of any one part causes the system to effectively cease functioning. In biological terms, irreducible complexity presents a significant challenge to Darwinian evolution, which posits that complex structures arise gradually through a series of small, advantageous mutations. How can a system that depends on the simultaneous presence of all its parts be built step by step? Each intermediate stage would be non-functional, offering no selective advantage and therefore unlikely to be preserved by natural selection. This is the crux of the irreducible complexity argument. Certain biological systems are so complex, so finely tuned, that they defy explanation through gradualistic evolutionary processes, strongly suggesting the intervention of an intelligent designer. The human foot, often overlooked, is a marvel of engineering. This intricate structure, composed of 26 bones, 33 joints, and a network of ligaments, tendons, and muscles, allows us to walk upright, run, jump, and maintain balance with remarkable agility. The arch design of the foot is crucial for these functions. The arches act as springs, distributing our weight evenly, absorbing shock and propelling us forward with each step. Evolutionary theory struggles to explain the origin of the human foot. The feet of primates, designed for grasping branches, bear little resemblance to our own. How could such a radical transformation occur through gradual evolution? Each incremental change, from a flat foot to an arched one, would have to provide a survival advantage. Yet it is difficult to envision how a partially formed arch would be beneficial. A half-arched foot would be less efficient for both walking and climbing, putting its possessor at a disadvantage. The irreducible complexity of the human foot, with its interdependent parts working in harmony, strongly suggests the hand of a designer. Venturing into the microscopic world, we encounter another example of irreducible complexity, the bacterial flagellum. This remarkable structure, resembling a tiny outboard motor, propels bacteria through their liquid environment. The flagellum consists of a long filament, a hook, and a motor embedded in the bacterial cell wall. The motor rotates the filament, acting like a propeller and allowing the bacterium to move towards nutrients or away from harmful substances. The flagellum's intricate design has captivated scientists and engineers alike. Its components, the rotor, stator, driveshaft, bushings, and universal joint, are strikingly similar to those found in man-made machines. This resemblance is not merely superficial. The flagellum's components are precisely arranged and interact with remarkable efficiency, demonstrating a level of engineering that rivals our own. Evolutionary biologists have struggled to explain how such a complex system could have arisen through gradual Darwinian processes. The flagellum's irreducible complexity, with each part essential for its function, points towards the intervention of an intelligent agent, a master engineer who crafted this microscopic marvel. In this chapter, we delve into the fossil record and how it supports the concept of irreducible complexity. The fossil record shows a sudden appearance of fully formed complex structures, which aligns with the idea of a common design. This evidence challenges the gradual evolutionary model and suggests a purposeful design behind life's complexity. Fossils, the preserved remnants of ancient life, offer a window into the past. They reveal a pattern that is both fascinating and enigmatic. Rather than a slow, gradual progression of forms, we often see abrupt appearances of fully formed, complex structures. This phenomenon, known as the Cambrian explosion, marks a period where many major groups of animals appear suddenly in the fossil record, with no clear precursors. Take, for example, the trilobite. These ancient arthropods, with their intricately designed eyes and segmented bodies, appear abruptly in the fossil record. Their complex features, such as compound eyes with precise lenses, suggest an advanced level of design that defies simple evolutionary explanations. The sudden emergence of such intricate structures aligns more closely with the idea of a common design rather than a series of small incremental changes. Furthermore, the fossil record is replete with examples of other organisms that exhibit this sudden complexity, from the elaborate shells of ammonites to the sophisticated jaw structures of early vertebrates. These fossils challenge the notion of a purely gradual evolutionary process. They hint at a purposeful design, an underlying blueprint that guides the formation of life's intricate patterns. As we continue to study the fossil record, the evidence for irreducible complexity becomes more compelling. Each fossilized remnant is a testament to the intricate design woven into the fabric of life. It invites us to reconsider the origins of these remarkable structures and to ponder the possibility of an intelligent designer behind the tapestry of life. The fossil record, with its sudden bursts of complexity, serves as a powerful reminder that life's story may be more intricate and purposeful than we have imagined. It beckons us to explore further, to seek out the patterns of design that underlie the natural world, and to appreciate the profound intelligence that shapes the diversity of life on our planet. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of life, another fascinating concept emerges: over-design in nature. This idea suggests that certain biological features exhibit a level of complexity and efficiency that goes beyond what is necessary for mere survival. Instead, these features point towards an intelligent design, a purposeful crafting of life's intricate details. Consider the peacock's tail. This extravagant display of vibrant feathers is not just a tool for attracting mates. It is an example of over-design. The intricate patterns and brilliant colors serve no direct survival function and even pose a risk by making the peacock more visible to predators. Yet the tail exists in all its splendor, hinting at a design that values beauty and complexity over mere utility. Another striking example is the human brain, capable of abstract thought, creativity, and profound emotional depth. The brain far exceeds the basic requirements for survival. Its vast network of neurons and synapses allows for a level of cognition and consciousness that is unparalleled in the animal kingdom. This over-design suggests a purposeful intent to create beings capable of reflecting on their own existence and the universe around them. The bombardier beetle provides yet another illustration. This small insect has a highly complex defense mechanism that involves mixing chemicals to produce a boiling, noxious spray. The precision and complexity of this system are far beyond what would be necessary for a simple defensive structure, pointing to an intelligent design behind its creation. These examples of over-design challenge the notion of random, gradual evolution. They suggest that certain features in nature are not just the product of survival pressures, but are intentionally crafted with a level of sophistication that implies a designer with a vision. As we observe the natural world, the concept of over-design invites us to see beyond the surface. It encourages us to appreciate the intricate details and the profound intelligence that could be behind the tapestry of life. It beckons us to consider the possibility that life is not just a series of random events, but a masterpiece of thoughtful design. In embracing the idea of over-design, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of the natural world and the potential intelligence that shapes it. It is a journey of discovery and wonder, urging us to look closer and think deeper about the origins and purpose of the extraordinary complexity we see around us. As we continue our journey through the concept of over-design, let's turn our focus inward and explore the extraordinary features of human beings that go beyond mere survival needs, suggesting a purposeful design. Consider the human hand. Its intricate structure of bones, muscles, and tendons allows for an incredible range of motion and dexterity. We can perform delicate tasks such as threading a needle, as well as powerful actions like lifting heavy objects. This versatility far exceeds the basic requirements for survival, hinting at an intelligent design that values precision and adaptability. Next, let us marvel at the human eye. Capable of detecting millions of colors and adapting to varying light conditions, the eye is a masterpiece of biological engineering. Its ability to focus on objects both near and far, combined with the brain's capacity to process visual information, goes beyond what is necessary for survival. This level of complexity and functionality suggests a design that appreciates beauty and detail in the world around us. The human voice is another example of over-design. Our vocal cords and intricate control of breath allow us to produce a wide range of sounds, from the subtle nuances of speech to the powerful expressions of song. This capability enables us to communicate complex emotions and ideas, fostering deep connections and understanding among people. It is a feature that transcends survival, pointing to a design that values expression and connection. Lastly, consider the human mind. Our brains are not only capable of basic survival functions, but also of profound thought, creativity, and emotional depth. We can ponder the mysteries of the universe, create art and music, and experience a wide range of emotions. This cognitive and emotional richness suggests a purposeful design, one that seeks to create beings capable of introspection and wonder. These features of the human body and mind challenge the notion of random evolution. They invite us to consider the possibility of an intelligent design that goes beyond mere survival, aiming instead for a higher level of existence. In appreciating the over-design of human beings, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of our place in the natural world and the potential intelligence that shapes our existence. It is a journey of awe and reverence, urging us to look closer and think deeper about the extraordinary complexity and purpose woven into the fabric of our being. As we explore the extraordinary features of human beings, let us turn our gaze outward to the natural world, where we find an abundance of beauty that seems to transcend mere function and survival. This aesthetic dimension of nature invites us to consider the possibility of a designer who values beauty as much as functionality. Consider the vibrant colors of a sunset. The sky, painted with hues of orange, pink, and purple, is not merely a byproduct of atmospheric conditions. It evokes a sense of wonder and awe in those who witness it. This striking display of beauty serves no apparent survival function, suggesting that it might be a deliberate aspect of a larger design that values aesthetic experience. Next, think about the intricate patterns found in snowflakes. Each snowflake is a unique masterpiece of symmetry and design, with no two being exactly alike. These delicate structures, viewed under a microscope, reveal an astonishing level of detail and beauty. The existence of such intricate patterns in something as fleeting as a snowflake hints at a designer who appreciates the beauty in even the smallest elements of nature. The songs of birds also illustrate this concept. While bird calls serve practical purposes like attracting mates or marking territory, many bird songs are complex and melodious, providing a form of natural music that delights the human ear. The sheer variety and beauty of these songs suggest an element of design that goes beyond functionality, aiming to enrich the auditory landscape of the natural world. Flowers offer another compelling example. The diverse and vibrant colors of flowers attract pollinators, but they also captivate human observers. The beauty of a blooming flower with its intricate shapes and vivid hues seems to be an expression of artistic design in nature. This aesthetic appeal transcends its biological role, pointing to a designer who values beauty. These examples of natural beauty challenge the notion that everything in nature is solely the result of random processes. They invite us to consider the possibility of an intelligent designer who weaves aesthetic elements into the fabric of the natural world, enriching it with beauty that goes beyond mere survival. In appreciating the aesthetic dimension of nature, we open ourselves to a deeper understanding of the world around us. and the potential intelligence that shapes it. It is a journey that encourages us to look closer, think deeper, and marvel at the extraordinary beauty that surrounds us every day. As we marvel at the aesthetic dimension of nature, we must also confront a sobering reality, the concept of a fallen world. This idea suggests that the world we see today, with all its beauty and complexity, is also marked by imperfection and suffering, a deviation from its original design. Consider the notion of the fall from a theological perspective. Many belief systems propose that the world was created perfect, but a pivotal event, often referred to as the fall, introduced decay, death, and suffering into the natural order. This event is thought to have altered the original design, leading to the flawed world we experience today. In this context, the beauty we observe in nature can be seen as remnants of an initial flawless creation. The vibrant colors of a sunset, the intricate patterns of snowflakes, and the melodious songs of birds may all be echoes of a perfect design, now marred by the consequences of the fall. The concept of a fallen world also provides a framework for understanding the existence of natural disasters, diseases, and other forms of suffering. These elements, which seem at odds with the idea of an intelligent and benevolent designer, can be interpreted as distortions of the original creation brought about by the fall. Yet, even in a fallen world, the remnants of beauty and complexity persist, hinting at the possibility of redemption and restoration. The presence of beauty in a world marked by suffering suggests that the original design still shines through, offering hope and a glimpse of what once was and what could be again. This duality, the coexistence of beauty and suffering, invites us to ponder the deeper narrative of intelligent design. It challenges us to consider not only the initial creation, but also the ongoing story of a world in need of restoration. In doing so, we gain a richer, more nuanced understanding of the natural world and the potential intelligence behind its design. As we navigate this complex narrative, we are encouraged to look beyond the surface, to see both the beauty and the brokenness of the world around us. It is a journey that deepens our appreciation for the intricacies of creation and the possibility of a higher intelligence that seeks to restore and redeem what has been lost. In contemplating the impact of the fall on creation, we are invited to explore the profound interplay between beauty and suffering, design and distortion. It is a journey that challenges us to think deeply, feel deeply, and ultimately to hope for a world restored to its original perfect design. As we conclude our exploration of the intricate tapestry of intelligent design, let's recap the key points we've discussed. We began by unveiling the signature of a designer, tracing the fingerprints of intelligence in the complexity and beauty of nature. We delved into the enigma of irreducible complexity, examining the human foot and the bacterial flagellum as prime examples. We also considered the concept of over-design in nature and human beings, highlighting instances where design seems to exceed mere functionality. Our journey took us through the aesthetic dimension of nature, where we marveled at the artistry present in the natural world. We then confronted the sobering reality of a fallen world, contemplating how beauty and suffering coexist as echoes of an original perfect design now marred by imperfection. Throughout this journey, we've been invited to ponder the deeper narrative of intelligent design, considering not only the initial creation, but also the ongoing story of a world in need of restoration. If you found this exploration thought-provoking and enriching, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who might be interested in this fascinating topic. Your support helps us continue to create content that delves into the mysteries of our world and the intelligence behind its design. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to embarking on more journeys of discovery with you in the future. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.